Hello guys, this is Leigh The Spray. No, I know you think it's Leigh the Drum because I got a Ludwig shirt on, but it's not. It's actually Leigh The Spray. I've just taken my overalls off because it is now 4:45. It's the end of the day and I am done spraying and polishing for today because things need to dry and all the rest. So I'm going to flick through some things of what we are doing. I'm really sorry I haven't put a little video up for a couple of weeks, actually about 2 weeks, because we, the three Leighs, have had a stinky chest infection that has been handed to us by a kind band member, I believe, or customer, and or two, and it couldn't get rid of it. Really couldn't get rid of it. Like, I got sparkles stuck to me all over the place. So just could not get rid of it. So look at this one. Let's have a little peep here. We've got a bit of a metallic-y blue. It's got a little bit more polishing to do in the morning. Single drum for a Yamaha. So that's a Yamaha shell. So that will be going out tomorrow. I can't remember what sort of a Yamaha it is. But anyway, that's a yummy. So customer will collect that tomorrow. It's got a little bit of metallic in it as well. It's quite a nice little colour, that. So there's that on the go. Solid colours, metallics, whatever have you. This is about, now these are Yamaha 9000 shells. So we've done one in a complete copper sparkle, as you can see there. Okay, now the customer's going to bring all the hardware up and we're going to bolt it together. So I'm going to do a video on this especially. I know that's Yamaha and that says Ludwig, but come on, it's a t-shirt. But that's that one, guys. So it's a beautiful copper sparkle, smooth as anything, silky, smooth as glass. Okay, so we've got that one on the go. I then have a Mapex, I think this one is. Yep, this will be a little Mapex shell. And what that had was a load of sparkle already on there from the Mapex factory, but the customer wants it in a natural wood. So little 8-inch shell, so we had to sand that just to very carefully take the sparkle off. So that's ready now. Tomorrow that will be hand sanded that way with the grain a little bit neater, just to get the grain really pretty, clean it all down, and then that little baby then will be done in a natural wood effect. So that's that one. What else have we got here? We've got another one. This is Sona, a Sona shell. And this isn't finished, guys. It's got to have all the lacquer build up on it now. But it's got a blacky, greeny tint to it, with a copper, silvery copper sparkle underneath. So that's got to be done. Hopefully tomorrow that can go in for the doubling up on the lacquering. It looks very pretty with all the hardware on. I can tell you that now. So that's that. These are single items. They're great because they're colour matches. So obviously we charge a little bit for the colour matching and trying to work that out. But actually not much considering what the customer can get for their money. We then have a full Sona shell pack that has come in. It was full of glue because of a lot of stuff and it needs some repaired and stuff on there. So that's going to be sanded tomorrow again on the repairs. That's going to be a cherry red sparkle shell pack. Good solid old shells, nice and thick, as I said, and that is a Sona make. A little bit of work on the bed and edges and stuff to do as well. Do all of that just after painting and make that sweet. So that's that one. I have a full Pearl Masters kit for Dan, who's probably watching right now. Danielle, so they're going in tomorrow for priming. So is the Sona kit going in tomorrow for priming. A little bit of filling again, only on the join on the Pearl, because the shells are immaculate in fairness to Pearl. A little bit of glue there that's just going to be cleaned off a bit more, and then tape up the holes, put these through for primer, the whole kit. And that's going to be like a purpley holographic, maybe, I can't remember, but it's purple. I know that, violet, that's the word I was waiting for, violet. So we're going to be doing that, but what I tend to do is get all of the priming done first, check it all, check the notes, speak to the customer, do a sample and say, look, this is what we've agreed, and then away we go. So there's that, and also I've got a grey shell in the spray booth, and we've got to put the blue on there, and then put the lines through and copy that as well. So that will be interesting to show you. So we've got the single item, colour matching and so on. Then we've got these two full kits. Plus I've got down here a snare drum. And now this is interesting because this is gone, again it's going to be lacquered, but it's going to have a little twist to it. It's going to be something special, top and bottom, similar to that, not quite the same. And that is the extra large sparkle on there, so it's a real big flake. Okay guys, so that is a big fat, really heavy Ludwig snare drum. It's nice and thick shell again on there. So we got quite a bit of those. We got loads more. I got bass drums. I got a massive 28-inch, 27, 28-inch bass drum to do down there. We've got other bass drums. I've got other kits coming in. So there's always a rolling going on. There's about 3 more kits down there as well. But this is what we're in the thick of at the moment. We've just cleaned out other kits, and as I said, like this one. So we will move these through, excuse me, and then we move on to the next batch. And then by the time we do that, there's more customers, and it just rolls and rolls and rolls. So I'm trying to get back to do the weekly, maybe once a week vlog of where we're at with everything, and hopefully you'll enjoy them just to keep up, because people are watching the YouTube vids and they are saying that they're liking them and they're enjoying what they are. But I was pretty rough, so I just couldn't be bothered to switch camera on, you know, because I was like, oh, hello everybody, I don't very well. But I'm okay again now. Insanity, it's good for you. All right, so take care guys. Drums make you mad. Make you mad.